3 tech penny stocks to add to your watch list. When it comes to penny stocks, speed can be very important. What I mean by this is that, for the most part, these are better suited for day traders than investors. Now, I said, for the most part. This isn't to say that it's bad to invest in all penny stocks. One of the toughest things for new traders to understand is how and when to take a profit. It's so easy to ask yourself, will it just keep going, or, if I sell, I might miss out. The fear of missing out or leaving money on the table is probably one of the biggest reasons traders get burnt with stocks under $5. So how do you get over this FOMO? Have a strategy and a set of rules. The fact of the matter is that if a bullish trend is truly strong, you'll have more opportunities to enter a trade. There's also a strategy called tier trading that can be implemented. I won't get into the full how to day trade discussion in this article, but I'll give you a brief synopsis of day trading using a tier trading method. In short, this method involves scaling into and out of trades in pieces. The first tier would be a small starter position. Let's say you wanted to put $1,000 into a given stock. Your starter might be something like $250 or 25% of your overall capital. If the trade continues how you planned, another tier would be built on. This might be something a bit larger, say 50% of your overall capital. Assuming the trade moves further how you planned, you might take initial profit to recoup your principal. This secures your money and if the stock pulls back, protects you from incurring a loss. Furthermore, let's say the stock continues higher after that. You still have a small position that acts as a lower cost average to then build back upon. Number 1, Professional Diversity Network. Professional Diversity Network is no stranger to big moves in short time frames. It's also no stranger to leaving traders holding the bag. Knowing this, if IPDN is on your list of penny stocks to watch, understand volatility can play a huge role right now. Why do I say this? Wednesday morning the company announced a partnership with Fala Network. Fala is a technology company specializing in confidentiality preserving and privacy-first blockchain application development. As we know, Bitcoin and blockchain stocks are in a very bright spotlight right now. Thanks to the price of Bitcoin soaring this year, many traders are simply hungry for related headlines. Again, situations like this can pose a higher degree of risk, reward. As we've already seen today, IPDN stock skyrocketed early on to highs of $5.56 and almost immediately pulled back soon after. That pullback was a hefty 31%. Now the question becomes, will IPDN be able to rally again before the end of the day? Professional Diversity Network has been in the trading discussion off and on for a few months now. Mainly, the company focuses on matching qualified job seekers with employers and helping to break down barriers for all job seekers. This latest move to build a blockchain option into its platform could further enhance PDN's offering. Regardless of the fundamentals here, the bigger focus in the short term is likely a low-float penny stock with a news catalyst. So, again, if IPDN stock is on your list, keep this in mind. Number 2, G Group. G Group could be moving in sympathy with IPDN. The company, as the stock symbol may suggest, is a staffing solutions provider. Unlike IPDN, JobStock has been climbing the last few days and further extended gains on Wednesday. What else has helped things on Wednesday is news of its own. Specifically, G Group announced its fiscal 2020 and Q4 results late Tuesday afternoon. Revenue for the quarter was down compared to the same period in 2019. This was echoed in the total year's revenue as well. However, moving forward into 2021, it looks like the company expects a recovery trend to take hold. Whether it's sympathy momentum fueling this move or headline catalyst, JobStock has a history of quick jumps and swift pullbacks. In light of this, it's important to keep the technical trend in mind in my opinion. Number 3, IZEA Worldwide Inc. IZEA Worldwide Inc. is another one of the tech stocks to watch. However, unlike IPDN and Job, IZEA stock has seen a more consistent trend in December. Albeit a huge jump in price, the move came with plenty of volume, consistent price appreciation, and news. The company most recently announced a new contract for influencer marketing services. It came from an existing client who is a Fortune 100 retailer according to IZEA. Further to this, IZEA explained that the contract, in combination with other recent wins, pushed its managed services bookings growth in Q4 to a 47% jump compared to last year. If you remember from earlier this month, the company announced strong growth in managed service bookings. At that time, the year-over-year increase for the fourth quarter was already 40%. Furthermore, managed services customer counts more than doubled between the third and fourth quarter this year according to IZEA. In light of this growth, will 2021 become an even stronger year? Thank you for watching this video. We appreciate your continued support. For more daily news, please subscribe to our channel. This is Economics Empire and we'll see you in the next one.